Welcome to this Jolo device unboxing video. I decided to split the unboxing of the item. This unboxing will be a sort of Christmas Black Friday unboxing of item related to the Mac Pro Classic, Mac Pro 5.1, 4.1. These are items that are arrived along the autumn, slowly, mostly from the UK. The first item is this one, and it's finally there. It took 1 month. A pair of upgraded CPU. These are a pair of Xeon X5675 or 5675. It's a bare packaging, a minimal packaging. Okay. No need of the knife. And they are there. Inside, hopefully inside a electrostatic protection shield, here are a pair of deleted, touching the metal, a pair of deleted processor. Ok, sono un po' grattugiati. I chosen to buy directly a pair of deleted CPU because the process of delete yourself is a sort of lottery. It's not easy as you may think. Let's check. This one is ok, sì, sì. Non ci si può lamentare. This one is a bit uglier. Almost on the upside, this one is not nice to see. But the most important area is this one. And indeed there is a little flow there, but probably is the cooling past. This one is typical. Oh, see, there is a little flow in this area. So this part is the unboxing, and this let's check how much was the cost. I paid these two deleted Intel Xeon. I bought them on eBay, and they were a total of 80 pounds, so the price is about 100 euro, a bit less. In 2021, these Xeon are really cheap, are going cheap, and also I consider to buy not the really top of the Mac Pro 5.1 technology, but I bought this one, which is a top, which are a pair of top Xeon. But they are in the power range indicated by Apple. These exact Xeon were a model from Apple, so I don't have to worry about the PSU, the power usage. And this was the first item. There is another item, another cadeau for the Mac Pro, another update, and it's already cutted, very light. Disk external case, visual partner in mobile solution. Inside this very basic Havana packaging, there is this sort of key, is an support, an adapter to reuse an M.2 NVMe blade. The article was from an Italian store that for some reason is importing from China these adapter, these items and similar items, but they are stock in Italy, which is not bad. The price was 22 euros. And the real reason why about this one is that I have an extra M.2 blade, but also I am going to test with this one to test the real speed of the USB 3.2 card that I reviewed in a previous video. The issue in that video was that I connected device and disks that they were slow, not fast enough to check the max speed of that USB 3 Gen 2 card. Okay, you can see, you can think it's enough. It's enough for the Mac Pro? No. It's not enough, because the Mac Pro is an old machine, but we love it. There is a third package, which is this Havana Chinese package, typical Chinese, SSU. Attenzione, SSU. I already bought this card. Inside there are this wire. Packaging is not important. This item I already bought one of these one, and this is it's called M.2 NVMe to PCI 3.0 X4 adapter. This is a key SSD expansion card for the Mac Pro Classic, Mac Pro, and also old PC. And this one was already tested. I bought one of these probably in September. And you can place there the typical M.2 NVMe SSD, as mentioned by there. Let's watch it. The external is closed. You connect this one on one of the expansion door of the Mac Pro. I have one left. And you place your NVMe SSD there. The reason may be why to buy a second one of these. It's because I am going to try a cheap and fast update of the storage for the Mac Pro. Actually, I have already one of these inside the Mac with a reused Apple Blade SSD with an adapter. I'm going to create a RAID with one 250 megabyte disk there, and a similar same seeds in the other slot, and to try what's the reading speed that I get with an unified Ryzen 0 disk, to check if it's possible to get a cheap disk, cheap really fast SSD, virtual SSD for the Mac Pro. I estimate that it may be even 1.5 giga or a bit more in real test, in real life, while using the Apple SSD, the Apple Blade, I am getting a bit more than 1 giga write speed. So this there will be a second part of the video with the benchmark of this one. The 5675, this reusable adapter for Apple SSD or M.2 in order to get finally a fast external disk. and also a second PCIe per 4 expansion card in order to experiment with RAID and see what's the top speed we can get using 2 of this one in a pair of expansion slot. There will be a second video, a follow-up, later in December, and also probably an article. But there will be another unboxing videos before to Christmas, not for the Mac Pro, but for other device. In the while, thanks for watching and bye. Okay, no, this packaging is not corresponding to the item.